This file extension has two primary types. It's either an Excel user-defined function, script, or a universal disk format image. One is code, the other is a virtual CD. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's identify it. Before we get technical, the simplest step is often overlooked: installing a general file opening utility. This often works when the specific UDF application fails. More details to follow. A UDF file can refer to either a universal disk format disk image or a user-defined function file for Microsoft Excel. As a disk image, it represents a file system format used for storing data on optical media. As an Excel file, it contains custom functions written in VBA, Visual Basic for applications, to extend Excel's built-in capabilities. UDF disk images adhere to the Universal Disk Format Standard, designed for optical media like DVDs and Blu-ray disks. Excel UDF files contain VBA code that defines custom functions. These functions can be called from Excel worksheets, just like built-in functions, allowing users to perform specialized calculations or data manipulations. An essential utility for interacting with UDF is recognized as 7-zip by Igor Pavlov. The raw visual data is present, but Windows lacks the necessary parser to display it correctly. Windows offers minimal preview capability, so opening the image requires compatible utilities. To open this specific format, right-click your UDF file and select Open With. If 7-zip is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few attempts to find the key. If you still cannot open your UDF file, that is okay. It's typically one of 3 basic reasons. Here is a simple breakdown of the common culprits and how to check them. First, use Disk Mounter. If a disk image, use Windows Explorer to mount the file or use a tool like Daemon Tools. Next, use WordPad. If a document, open the file using WordPad Windows utility. Finally, check for corruption. If the file won't load, try re-downloading it or ask the sender for a fresh copy. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the .udf name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. The complexity of this UDF file is clear now, when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Remember to be patient with complex formats. Your subscription helps fund the research needed for these detailed guides. Thank you for subscribing.